We must restore the soul of America. Our nation is shaped by the constant battle between our better angels and our darkest impulses. It's time to put away the harsh rhetoric, lower the temperature, see each other again, listen to each other again. We cannot repair the economy, restore our vitality until we get it under control. The truth be told, the real reason I went home every night was that I needed my children more than they needed me.
I honest to God believe I'll be the next president of the United States of America.
Come on.
There'll be other opportunities for me to campaign for president.
How old are you, 17?
Make America great again.
This is a life-changing election. The most important election of our lifetime. The soul of America. Reckless and incompetent commander-in-chief.
Violent mobs of Biden supporters.
Everybody knows he's a liar. He's attacked the free press, who dared to question his power. Language, at the time he first used it, I and others said, has long been used by autocrats and dictators. A judiciary doesn't serve the will of the president or exist to protect him or her.